morning and a very happy Women's Day to everyone watching. Today is special. Why? Because today we are celebrating our women employees. Not just their stories, but their resilience, their strength, and their quiet determination. When they say that the construction industry is tough, and it is, but at HGIL we ensure that equality meets equity. Equality when you give equal opportunities to everyone, and equity where you ensure that everyone gets what they really need to thrive. This year's theme, Give to Gain, ensures that when we truly invest in our people, we get better leaders, better teams, and better ecosystem. And that is what we do at HGIL. Now here are certain wonderful stories that our women colleagues will be sharing with all of you, that how as an organization we support them to grow and thrive. Let's celebrate their stories and hear to them.
And I'm proud to be a woman who balances both professional and personal life parallelly. At home, I am a daughter and a sister, and at workplace, I am an IT professional who helps to manage the softwares that construction company runs smoothly. I guess these responsibilities have helped me to change my the way of thinking, reshape my career goals.
So coming to my journey in HGIL, it's been empowering and really fascinating. And when I speak about, when I see project comes to life, it gives me a lot of immense pride in seeing to it that I have actually contributed in building that meaningful project for the society.
Being a part of HG have always been so great because of the supportive HODs, the supportive environment, the work culture, everything. I've joined HG after my maternity, and they've always supported me. They've given me new opportunities, new pathways to handle, and they've never treated me as, women can't do it. They've always treated me like, you can do it, no problem what comes up to us, we'll guide you, we'll assist you how to do it. So working in construction, meaning breaking the stereotypes, but I'm basically fortunate that I'm working in AG Infra. Here I have a good team, and I feel very blessed that the AG Infra, where the skill and leaderships are not defined in like gender biased or the other way.
In many male-dominated industries, women have had to work harder to prove their strength and talent, and their courage and determination continue to break the barriers every day.
मैंने अपना लॉन्ग 17-year करियर अपना इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर प्रोजेक्ट्स में इन्वेस्ट किया है. आई एम वेरी मच फील प्राउड दैट आई एम कंट्रीब्यूटिंग इन दिस कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री, जो कि मेंस डोमिनेटिंग करी जाती है. उसमें अपना कंट्रीब्यूशन देना मुझे बहुत प्राउड फील आता है. एक बार मेरी डॉटर ने भी अपने छोटे छोटे फ्रेंड्स को बुला करके मुझे बताया, पता है मेरी मम्मा बड़े बड़े रोड्स बनाती है. दिस इज हाउ मच मेरी एनर्जी को उसने कितना पॉजिटिव कर दिया. आई कैन नॉट टेल यू.
HG Infra हम लोगों को ट्रस्ट करता है, सपोर्ट करता है, जिससे हम अपने ग्रोथ कर पाए एंड अपनी लाइबिलिटीज़ को पूरा कर पाए. हमें कभी भी यह नहीं सोचा जाता कि हम लोग नहीं कर सकते, ना हमको ये बोला जाता है कि तुम नहीं कर पाओगे, लेकिन हम कर सकते हैं और हम कर पा रहे हैं.
पूरी कंपनी बहुत सपोर्टिव है, बट हमारा डिपार्टमेंट जितना मैं एक्सपोजर है अभी तक, बहुत ही सपोर्टिव लोग हैं. और क्योंकि मेरा बिल्कुल ही डोमेन डिफरेंट था, बट कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री वाला ये ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि फीमेल्स के लिए ठीक नहीं है, फीमेल्स के लिए भी अच्छा है. वो सब पे साइट पर कुछ डिफिकल्टीज होती हो इन्वायरमेंट एंड अदर कंडीशंस की वजह से, बट इट्स टोटली अ मिथ, बिकॉज हमारी साइट्स बहुत अच्छी अच्छी लोकेशंस में भी है, कैंप्स बहुत अच्छे वेल मेंटेन्ड हैं. तो दिस इज नथिंग, दिस इज नॉट लाइक मैन मी इसको एक्सेप्ट कर सकते कि कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर वुमेन. नो, इट्स ओके.
HG में ऐसा मुझे कभी फील नहीं हुआ कि मैं हूँ तो मेरे साथ कुछ अलग बिहेव करा जा रहा है. सब कुछ अच्छे से होता है, और साइट्स पे तो जैसे हम बात करते हैं तो वो और ज़्यादा रेस्पेक्ट से हमसे बात करते हैं.
Since the times are changing and we see that women are in all the fields, not particularly, they are not restricted to only women-oriented fields. So that is something that motivated me to come into this sector and show that the resilience, the talent is not only for gender-specific types. It is a gender-neutral working experience, and women can enter into this field. So that's what motivated me to come into construction. That's true.
इन माई डे टू डे वर्क मैं अपने बहुत सारे कोलीग से बात करती हूँ, सारे डिपार्टमेंट में बात करती हूँ. वहाँ पर अधिकतर लोग जो है वो मेंस हैं, जो कि एक कॉमन ट्रेंड है कंस्ट्रक्शन कंपनी में कि मेल डोमिनेटेड फील्ड है ये. बट ऐसा नहीं है. एचजी इंफ्रा में जो फीमेल्स हैं उनको भी काफ़ी अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता है. तो जब मैं एचजी इंफ्रा में वर्क कर रही हूँ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये सारी चीज़ें बहुत ईजी हैं, क्योंकि यहाँ पर जो एनवायरनमेंट मिलता है और जो एचओडीज़ का सपोर्ट मिलता है वो काफ़ी अप्रिशिएबल है.
I'm about to complete 10 years of my journey with HG Infra. I am very satisfied and happy with my journey of HG Infra because it has always supported and provided me opportunity to explore my professionalism and also supported me in performing roles at my family, either to be being a mother of 2 kids, a wife, a daughter or daughter-in-law, which allows me to learn patience, responsibility, resilience and become my best self at work.
So my message to all women here is that trust yourself, love yourself, embrace change and never underestimate your impact. So you don't have to prove yourself in the world of men, but you have to build your own work.
I think handling people on site, because that's where the real tricks comes in, with managing the people with multiple minds, multiple thought process and in real life situations. I think that is tougher.
Okay, actually, there is a stereotype for females that related to site work. Like whenever there is a chance to go to site, some few people, I'll say, thought like that कि वो जाके क्या करेगी या she can't do. So I can say on that, like quote unquote, that now the scenario has been changed, and in every like field you can find that ladies are ruling the industry, and there is some like renowned female already dominating the industry. So I suggest कि उस जो quote unquote है उससे बाहर आए, and everyone should visit the site and see the practical challenge what is that, because to work in the desktop and to work in the site, these two things are just two different things.
I am proud to be a part of the journey of growth and nation building.